All right. What is going on, my friends? Vitaliy Dubinin is here, and welcome to another episode of Today's in Crypto Show. As you know, the week here is starting on a positive note. We see finally some green in the markets. We see Bitcoin is finally above $17,000, and of course, want to talk about what is happening right now. We did have on the weekly this bullish engulfing candle, which is incredible to see. And we're going to discuss, is it a bear market rally, where we are right now in the state of the market overall. So it's going to be a lot of lessons there, and overall what's happening in crypto right now. So last time I told you guys that we have this bullish diversion happening on the weekly chart. This is significant right there, and it does play out right now. And I also showed you this 2-year long bearish trend line on a weekly RSI that we finally broke. I told you that it's gonna happen anytime soon. The next couple days we're gonna pop this, and we did right now. So congratulations, because we just popped this trend line, two-year trend line. So that's really good and positive. So for the next price for Bitcoin, we can see $18,800 is our level of resistance, which is the next one. It's about $1,500 from now, where we are right now. So we are trading higher than the previous one. Actually, the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Previous 8 weeks, we are trading higher right now. So a lot of voices that were screaming for Bitcoin to go to 13,700. It doesn't happening, and there is a high chance that we already have seen the bottom. Now, bearing something catastrophic, out of the ordinary, some black swan event happening in 2023, with some crazy event, another multi-billion-dollar bankruptcy. If that is not going to happen, then we are likely already bottom, and we are entering the period of accumulation. I'm going to show you on the chart, like, we are 66% on the halving progress, and you can see before, we can see when we enter those periods. This is the white period right here, right before the halving. The market was trading slowly, is trading upwards, but slowly, nothing too crazy, right? But we are here. We are here at this point, and we do have the expectation that, like the previous cycles, we're going to start having some upward movement and accumulation period right now. So this is very exciting. Just wanted to show you that it never seems like a good time to buy. Have you seen this chart? I mean, no matter where you look at it, the emotion tells you it's not a good time to buy. So right here, you can say, okay, market is too high. When it goes down, no, I'm not buying here. Market is going lower. And then you're waiting for a pullback, which doesn't come. Then market is too high, you don't buy here. Wait until things settle down, so you don't buy here. Wait on the pullback, you don't buy here. Market is too high. Again, you don't buy here. So it's never a good time to buy according to your emotions. But if you look at the history, you know that over the long term, if you are dollar cost average at these prices for Bitcoin, it is going to work out just fine in your favor, because a lot of the people are going to be FOMOing into Bitcoin once again at $50,000. Not right now, people are scared, but at $50,000 they'll be FOMOing into Bitcoin. So take advantage of the situation. Now this month marks the 14-year anniversary of when Satoshi Nakamoto mined the first Bitcoin block, which is amazing. the first Bitcoin block, and ever since then, January 3rd, 2009, from being valued at less than 1 penny to reach an all-time high of $69,000, Bitcoin has consistently proved its worth. Happy birthday. So you can see we started at 2011, it was 30 cents. 2012, it was $4.88. 2013, it was $13.40. 2014, it was $818. Huge leap and bound. Then back to 284, 429, 1044, and then bam, 2018, 15,000. Happy birthday to Bitcoin. Then back to 3,800, 7,300, 32,000, 46, and now 16. So you can see the market is much bigger right now, but we're still early. We're still early. You're not too late. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the early adopters phase, 13.5% early adopters. We are not even in the early majority phase. So you're not too late to the party because it's not even half there. So there's a lot of room to grow in the Bitcoin space. We gradually take more and more of the adoption in the cryptocurrency market. What's happening else in the news? We have Solana and Cardano both up 21%. We can see Solana has been pumping a lot in the last week. You can see right here, the previous week, it tried to go to as low as $8.32, about $8. And if we take a measured move from here, we can see that Solana has pumped about 96%, right? 100% actually, from the lowest point right here. So that just teaches you a lesson, right? All of these red candles that you can see over here, it's capitulation, fear, panic candles. And you could take advantage of this panic and dollar cost average in, so you can enjoy those type of crazy gains that we are seeing with this type of, even right now in this market, there is volatility. Now, Solana, Tether, Solana as a layer 1 blockchain pumped primarily because of Bonk, and Bonk you can see on Bybit traded all the way. It started with 0.501 and went to all the way of 5047. So it's about 500% here in Bybit. So this is like Shiba Inu, right? But on Solana, so it since has dropped significantly. But maybe with the second chance, it was the second wind under its spirit, Bonk is going to revive right here. I didn't buy Bonk to be honest with you, but this is something that you can speculate if you can drop like a very tiny percentage of your portfolio. Shiba Inu has done very, very well over time since the inception, very well. I know people that made absolutely enormous gains of millions of dollars with a simple couple $1,000 investment. So I don't know if it's gonna happen with this one, of course, but history tends to rhyme. So at some point, some crypto is going to do maybe not as well as Shiba Inu, but something similar. So right now is those type of opportunities. Now on to not so good news. We have Wire, a crypto firm, announced withdrawal limits right now. People can only withdraw 90% of their funds, and this is a big payment company in crypto space. So that's not so good, but they are dealing with the winter. We have Genesis owner Barry Silbert from Digital Currency Group faces SEC and Department of Justice probes, according to the latest report. So they're under scrutiny about what's going on. about why they lent money, they borrowed money from Genesis, right? And they owe to Gemini Exchange $900 million. So investigation is happening right now, according to some leaks. Now it's not been officially public yet, but according to this person right here on Twitter, is under active investigation. Now, this can turn very ugly if something fishy is going to happen to digital currency group, because they owned the biggest Bitcoin trust, hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin, right? So it's not going to be good if something happens to. So we'll see the developing story of this. Yeah. Okay. We have tomorrow the chair of Federal Reserve, Jerome H. Powell, is going to speak on Tuesday at 9 a.m. We'll see that usually affect the markets one way or another. We also have the CPI Consumer Price Index report on for the month of December, will be in January. So if they're able to cut the inflation, that will positively affect the markets. Yeah. And another coin I want to show you, ULX, that I believe is ready to make its a nice pump right here, is because of the buyback mechanisms. Now, if you've been following me over the last 6 months, I've been sharing about this opportunity, how you can essentially earn with this project as the Ultron Foundation and Ultron as the layer 1 blockchain. So it's not too late. We are right now in this phase. You see, we just recently broke this trend line right here, and I believe we are ready to get to the next move, primarily because of what they are doing in the foundation to cut off the selling pressure and increase burning significantly of this coin. So not financial advice, but this is definitely one of the coins I am holding for the longer term, and I'm not selling right now. So just want to point that out. Guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. That's what I want to share with you guys today on this episode. I've been dollar cost averaging over Bitcoin when it came to 16,500. So that was nice. And I'll be continuing to dollar cost average because we're still in a very good position. Even though I'm not getting all in and buying everything right now, because there is always this chance of a bear market rally when we can dump one leg higher, right? So not yet crazy excited, but we're definitely going in the right direction, and over the long term we are definitely in a good buying zone right now. So that's what I want to share with you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.